My name is Alexander Grant. I'm the current president of the Jet Dragster project. I am a junior, will be a senior now in the fall. I'm studying mechanical engineering, primarily propulsion. The first car that we built and completed was a Pratt & Whitney J60 based car. The Pratt & Whitney J60 is out of a T-38, which is a trainer fighter for the Air Force. This is a non-afterburning engine, and we adapted an afterburner to it. This car, we're very excited for its debut at Oktoberfest in 2013 in Prescott, Arizona at our Embry-Riddle campus. The car itself, specification-wise, weighs about 1,400 pounds and is going to put out 5,500 to 6,000 pounds of thrust. That is going to send this car 0 to 60 in about half a second and 0 to 100 in about 1 to 1.1 seconds, and a quarter mile in about 4.5 at about 305 miles an hour. So this is expected to be one of the fastest jet dragsters to exist when it first debuts. Since the J60 car has been completed as far as the work that we're going to do on it, we have started designing 2 other cars that we're currently in frame design and structural analysis aspects of. Since I became a member of the team, it has grown drastically. It started out with 10 or 11 people when I first joined to about 35 now, and an application process of more than 100 people trying to get on every single year. Now we have to have formal interviews and selections, and we go through an extensive application process to pick who's really the best to shape this team in the manner that we need to go at that point. My favorite part about being on the team is how the project and the team is run by the students completely, and we're able to operate as a small business or an engineering firm. And because of that, we're able to learn how parts of an engineering firm work, and that also is going to help us a lot get involved when we're actually in industry.
My name is Alan Marlowe. I am the structures director on the project, and I am mechanical engineering and focusing on propulsion here at Riddle. As a member of the team so far, I've done a lot of things. I have helped wire up the J60 car, and I have also fabricated some of the parts that we actually use on the car. As a member of the board of directors, I have done some of the more I've worked on some of the more administrative stuff of the team, such as rewriting bylaws, helping with code of conduct. The experience that I'm getting out of this project is something that I really cannot explain or praise anymore. It's literally what I learned on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can come into the shop on Saturday and take what I learned and apply it. There isn't really anything better that I can do with what I'm learning here. The leadership on the team actually works really well. We have a president and then the board of directors, and the president actually is a member of the board of directors, but they oversee everything that goes on with the project, from business to structures to aerodynamics, all of those. And then it goes down to the members, to the other members, which we call engineers, and they actually go through and do the work along with the board of directors.
My name is Samuel Murphy. I study aerospace engineering, aerotrack. I joined the team fall of my freshman year, so I've been on the team for 2 years now. On the first car, a J60 car, I was on the team that ran all of the wiring. I also helped mount the fuel cans on the back of the car. In the current cars, I'm doing a lot with the design work as well as general fabrication of the chassis. You get a lot being a member of the Jet Dragster team. You know, a lot of college is just really theoretical knowledge, but with this project, we can turn around and take that theory and use it in a practical application. I know for me personally, what I've learned in my structures and my solids classes, I can turn around and do actual math on the car. And we've been able to solve some critical questions that we've had about our chassis design.
My name is Jenna Humble. I study aerospace engineering, the Astro track at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. I started in the fall of 2012, my freshman year. Most of what I've done so far on the team is CAD work. Essentially, I took the design that the previous members had created and put it into Autodesk Inventor. What I expect to get out of the project is just a lot of real-world experience. Looking at what is going on in industry right now, we do most of what engineers will face in the real world. My favorite part about being a member of the Jet Dragster team is all the experience I'm getting to use the power tools and working on design and fabrication.
In order to join the Jet Dragster team, we have a slight application process. At the beginning of the year, we host multiple events to get our name out around campus. For those students interested to join, we have information packets as well as a small application packet that we ask students to complete and turn in with a resume. For those interested in joining the team, we also host interviews with existing team members and the board of directors. We then pick those students who we feel are best suited to join the team based on team chemistry as well as past experiences and what we feel they can bring to the team.